In the second part, we are going to continue the chapter. Papa drives the car and they reach the theater. After some time, that means Vinu, Reena, mother and father reach the theater. They see some signs at the theater. They see some signs. वहाँ पे उन्होंने कुछ साइन को देखा, कुछ चिन्ह को देखा, ठीक, कुछ निशान बने हुए देखे. What is that, mummy? Vinu says. Then Vinu asks, what is that? यह क्या है? Mummy. Then mummy reply, that sign says nobody can smoke inside the theater. That means here is cigarette. This sign says, यह साइन यह बताता है कि थिएटर के अंदर, inside that means के अंदर, inside the theater nobody can smoke, यहाँ कोई स्मोकिंग नहीं कर सकता. रीना, see mummy, there is another sign. Then रीना says, देखो मम्मी, एक दूसरा साइन है. मम्मी, that sign says that we can't eat inside. That means that sign says that we can't eat inside. We cannot eat anything inside the theater. Reena, why are the people standing there, mummy? Then Reena asks, why people standing there? Okay, क्यों people, that means लोग, person, many person, वे लोग वहाँ पे क्यों खड़े हैं? Why they are standing? Mummy, they are standing there to buy the tickets. Why they are standing? They are standing there to buy the tickets. वो लोग टिकट्स खरीदने के लिए वहाँ पे खड़े हैं. अगर आप कभी जाते हो मूवी देखने, पिक्चर देखने, तो बिना टिकट के आपको अंदर जाने नहीं दिया जाता है. उसके लिए आपको क्या करना होता है? टिकट लेनी पड़ती है, टिकट खरीदना पड़ता है. So people are standing there to buy the tickets. We have to show the gatekeeper get inside. And so we have to show the tickets. हमें टिकट दिखाना पड़ेगा to the gatekeeper, को to get inside. If you want to go inside, then you have to show the ticket to the gatekeeper. People are standing in a long queue. Long queue means line. People are standing in a long queue. That means people are standing in a very big line. Those who come early can stand ahead of others. Those who come early, जो लोग पहले आए, can stand ahead of others. Ahead means front of others. वो सामने खड़े हो सकते हैं. पापा comes with the tickets. After some time, पापा क्या करते हैं? पापा comes आते हैं with the tickets लेकर. They all go into the theater. Then after buying the tickets, they all go into the theater. वे सभी थिएटर में चले जाते हैं. Now this chapter is finished. I hope you all of you understand it.